What's up, guys? It is the Conversational Caveman, and we're back. So I was able to get my blacksmith, some better armor, a sword. Finally, I forgot to equip his shield, but he has a shield, and I got stuck in this fight. I was trying not to, but I don't want you guys to miss it, especially if I die. So, let's see what happens here. Now, I want this guy dead because before I started recording, he stole something from me, which I didn't realize would happen. Sorry for that. So we're gonna just try to kill him. Oh, he's gonna run, isn't he? I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh my gosh, I'm okay. It's okay. It's no big deal. It is no big deal. It is no big deal that she went down to 1 health. Fully negates all damage from next attack. Like, my gosh. Let's armor up. Whatever. Armor is temporarily increased. Let's resist up. Whoa. I don't know what that was. Oh, I actually have to attack. Awesome. I didn't know that. There. Okay, it's dead. Okay, now he needs to collect some. Let's give that to him because he's got the lowest resistance. And now we fight the Mind Lord. It's about time. Fight. The Mind Lord. So determined, you can scarcely conceive of defeat. I cannot wait to taste your mind. Your soul is mine. Oh my gosh, look at those armors and resistances. Oof. That's intense, bruv. I don't think we fought Undead Knights yet either. So this will be interesting. Not the greatest start, but whatever. Let's see what he does. 23 damage. Okay. Decent, of course, but not amazing. Let's bump that up to a 90% perfection. Because I just want them dead. 4 damage. 19 with a daze, which is less than helpful. And 20. Oof. So I think he's really close to death, but still need to focus this guy. Pretty hardcore. Yeah, let's try to get a bleed going on him. Shit. And before he dies, let's see if we can just get some damage going on them. Nice, 20 damage. Dead. Mind Melt. Temporarily lose control of character. Oh! No! What? She doesn't get any of that XP? That sucks! Oh, that sucks. We killed him, but that freaking sucks. Oh gosh. That blows. Town Guard, that's awesome. We'll keep it with him. And nothing really... I guess we got the key, but... Okay, she did get a little bit of XP. Good. I was gonna be really, really pissed. Okay, so now... Awesome. We just have the last one, which is right here. The Lich's Crypt. So, do you have a town... Do you have a portal? I don't know. Let's end... Oh, something in my eye. Okay, do you have a town portal? Or a portal? Teleportation scroll. Whatever. Yes. Your intelligence is amazing, so... Can we just... No, we can't just cast it right there. That's too bad. But, we can get... Ow! Ugh. That doesn't feel good. $300 still. That's fine. And we wait. We're just gonna pile in over here. Oh no. We've been lucky to stay at 1 chaos level this whole time, but... Now where's this portal? Oh, I thought those... Oh, shoot. Whatever. I cast one over here so I could get it over this way. So we'll just use that real quick. Gosh. That's too bad. Whatever. It's no big deal. We'll move on. We've had worse happen to us. 9 movement, so she's just gonna... She doesn't need to teleport, but... Cool. Okay. So we have them together, which is awesome. He's just gonna hang out for a little bit. Scourges. Scourges introduce a variety of nasty effects. They will awake when their portrait reaches... They will awake when their portrait reaches the end of the timeline, find their haunt, and destroy them either before or after they awaken. Okay. Let's just kick this druid in the teeth. Oh. Resistances. But my guys do physical, so it's not like it matters. Just do a ton of damage to her really quick. Kill her. Nice, easy. Victory. Let's give it to her. Used to attract enemies in combat. Interesting. We'll have him collect that. That sounds... We have a lot of stuff that we haven't used, but I want to start using more of the cool stuff. Oh, come on now. I don't need your sass. No, we're gonna sneak past. I'm not dealing with it. Oh, cool. Leave. All. Give. He just needs just a tiny bit more. And we'll be good. And her turn. And his turn. Let him refocus, heal a little bit. Use his one focus. No. I'd rather not fight you. I'd really rather not fight you. Somehow, I knew that was gonna happen. Oh gosh. Whatever. I just don't like how close he is to death. Resist down. Oh my god. Just completely lost all resistances. That's not good, man. That's not good. Oh, what? That's bullshit. That's bullshit. Oh gosh. I do believe our blacksmith is dead. He's just gonna die. Oh my gosh, this is crap. Oh wow, I don't like this at all. Ah, shoot. We have to kill him. Screw him. What is this mystifying little guy doing? Shocked. Armor down. He has nothing. You know what? Don't distract him. Yes. Screw that guy. Man. Kill her. Now we have to get perfects on this guy, which I don't like. Especially since she's shocked and can't get a perfect at all. Man. But we should be able to... Oh, I hate that. Just give me the miss at the beginning. He's shocked, so he won't be able to get a perfect. Man. Yeah. 1 health. Please. If he kills... Okay, good. They all dodged, I think. Yes. Okay. Let's give it to him so we can buy the boat. Noisemaker. Fascinating. Does everybody have something? Yes. Yes. We'll give it to him. That's very interesting. Oh. Okay. You know what? I wasn't thinking about it. I should have given the money to her. Or like the next person, I guess. But whatever. Let's buy a boat. Pickup party. We sail. I don't remember. It takes that, which he has. Oh no. 15 damage. Can deal with that. Oh, it doesn't destroy it either. Oh, that's too bad. Well, we need to get the Chaos Gun, the Scourge. Ugh. Items drop at a risk of theft. I don't like that. But whatever. Not much we can do. I honestly might just come over here and say, screw it. Let's test our skill. I have a 6% chance of dying. Whatever. Whatever. Rest. I'll have to rest again, I guess. Rest. Leave. Rest. Oh. Okay. I mean, we gotta rest again. I don't want to go into this half-cocked. No, that's not where I clicked, you stupid. Level 5 Crypt. Let's do this. Now, I've never been this far. They had this in the beta, but I've only had one thing destroyed, and I never got to the Lich's place. So this will be interesting. Ghouls. Ghastly ghouls. They have magical armor, so... Life drain, so they heal. Okay. Nice dodge. Since he needs a perfect... Dead. Makes me happy. Makes me very, very, very happy. Whatever. It is what it is. So he'll get one heal, but he'll die next turn. Distraction! Awesome. That's really cool. I like that. I like that a lot. This crypt isn't that big either, which is really nice. It has the least amount. 0 is the least amount, I'd say. Okay, ready. Okay, magic, magic. Okay. Let's take out the sea hag first. Right? Right? Yeah. You can take care of the bat. Nice with the dodge. I always like that. See if we can get a bleed going. Always helpful. Kill the sea hag. Is that the large infringement? Not. That was no damage, really. And just kill her. Nice. I have a feeling the Lich is going to be quite a bit harder. Let's give that to him. You already have that. Poison, bleed, all elemental effects. Let's give that to him because he's the weakest. Which I think is the reason why I did it last time too. Stairs downwards. Let's go. Let's do it. Oh, the boss. Look at that guy. How much health? 70 with 12 armor. And he reflects. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. Oh, no. The reflection is going to really hurt. I mean, does that do 30 damage to him? Okay. Maybe... Oh, incoming melee attacks. Great! Great. That's gonna do 27? Oh, only 2. Whew. Okay, so... Ugh. Okay, just more damage, that's fine, because he's dead! Fuck yeah. Makes me happy. Makes me very, very happy. Another tinder pouch. I need some more of those. Seems like I've been using them a lot. Oh, that wasn't the Lich. I don't know why I thought that was the Lich. Oh, didn't read that either. My bad. Sorry, guys. Kind of getting distracted. I want to kill him outright. Just screw him. Because he's scary. I'm scared. Oh, that's not good. 25 damage is decent. Still gonna get their attacks off though, which I don't like. Where's the distractions, dude? Come on. Does she have reflect? What the hell was that? That's cool. 12 damage. Not terrible, but still not what I'm looking for. Oh my gosh, guys, come on now. We can do this. I believe in you. Attack up. That's not good. Kill him. Attack. Ooh! 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 Ow. No, come on, dude. Let's go. There you go. That breaks, right? Yep. That's too bad. But whatever, he's still alive. That's what matters. Oh my gosh, dude. We were doing so well. I don't know what's happening right now. I like the dodge, but still, like... I don't like it. Good. Nice. Which means he's dead. Unless he does that. Unless he does that. He takes more damage. Oh. He's dead. We did it. We're victorious. Let's share that, because, I mean, dang. Tommy's turn. Big ominous looking chest. I like it. Open it up. And I'm cursed. I'm just waiting for that to happen. Key fragment. Toxic talisman. Poison immunity. Sure. I haven't noticed what that other thing does, so I'm not worried. Collect that. Let's give that to her. And that's it. That's all I got. Really? See, I don't like that. Like, I don't know. The random, like this guy, he would probably give me something cool. But those guys don't? That doesn't make any sense to me. But that's it. That's all today. We did all 3 bosses. Died, but didn't actually lose a life. So we still have 3, which is awesome. Gonna have to heal, rest up, and then I'm thinking we're gonna go for Fergus the Mad next. So, I'll see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.